Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Nioh 3 game on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is steps to fix sound problem in Nioh 3. So on your PC, go to Windows settings and then click on system on the left and then click on sound and then advanced and then click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and click the drop down box and select off and then click on apply and then OK, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Solution 2, step to fix audio problem in Nioh 3 if you are using a Bluetooth headphone. So if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, then hit apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3, make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Nioh 3 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using any headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play or not. Solution 4, disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem in Nioh 3 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.